about your tires are blowing. What the fuck is this person doing?
Oh, don't get too close.
I'm not. I'm trying to get around.
It stinks.
Yeah, because they're burning
This is
their tires
crazy.
off.
This is, you're driving?
Yeah, I mean, usually 5 things work, but like, sometimes just want a few extra more, you know? I like hold it, it goes straight to 100. Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Holy
fuck?
shit. That was fucking, my heart is like racing.
That is
Als je een negatieve test hebt. Jezus, man. Jezus, doe normaal, vent. Dag meneer. Als u mans genoeg bent om op zondag naar de kerk te gaan, dan mag ik toch wel wat vragen daarover stellen? Het is toch heel absurd.
What the f***? Right f***? Hey, you f***. That's how we draw.
It would be an honor if you asked to get released from your rights. I would love for you to play with me in Chicago next year, so we can hang out with Big Cat more.
Perfect. That's crazy. That just came through.
Yeah, no, like
he
an hour
literally
ago.
just texted
Yes.
you. Yeah.
Yes.
That's nuts. Wow.
It's gotta be.
Tror du ikke? Det er et bus der.
Er det? Nej, den anden holder der da også.
Ja.
Hvad så?
Ja, ikke mere med. Jeg skal sgu da til højre.
Nej! Nej, 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 nej!
Kør den over for rødt.
Det ved jeg ikke, hvem gjorde.
Don't you love that? into it, and then he got tires, so a little bit more, and so I'm trying to think, that'd be $3,200, so that was $6,000. You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot. Shit. No. I got all of that on my dash cam. I fucking, you knew I knew that was gonna happen, right? Yep.
Gotta get a little mud on the tires.
Oh my god! Fuck! Fuck!
Alright, check it out.
See it before. Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like that's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy shit.
Yeah.